Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change the country on your Netflix account. And this is a method of how to do it in 2021. If you found this video helpful today, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more how-tos, step-by-step tutorials and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So you might want to change your country to watch shows that are being broadcast in another country. So for example, I'm in the UK, but the American version of Netflix actually has more shows that I cannot access unless obviously I'm in the US. But there is a way around that, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. What we're going to do is open up our internet browser. And the first thing I'm going to do is just come across to netflix.com. So you can see that I've got the UK version. You'll see I'm logged in at the moment. And if I scroll down, okay, so when we get to here, you'll see it says top 10 in the UK today. And it's got a list of all the shows currently in the UK. So to go ahead and change this, you actually need to download a VPN, which is a virtual private network. And what this does, it's basically a piece of software that will trick Netflix into thinking that you're somewhere where you're not. So it basically changes your location. The one I would recommend is VPN City, and what I'll do is drop a link in the description down below. And once you click onto that link, what will happen is you'll be taken to a screen and you can download the VPN City app. It's got a number of extensions and applications for different devices. So you can download the app for Windows, you can go for the Mac if you've got a Mac or like a MacBook. You've also got an Android app. There's a one for an iPhone or iPad. You've got a Google Chrome extension. There's also one for Firefox, Shutterstock Pro. So there's quite a few different ones. In this example, I'm just going to show you the Windows, just because I'm using a Windows laptop. So all you would do is go ahead and download the application. And once that's downloaded, you just open and run the setup wizard. Click yes, next, next, install. It's not a very big program, so it shouldn't take too long to download and install. So once that's done, we're just going to click finish, and that's going to launch. I've ticked the box there, so launch VPN City. Okay, so that's loaded through now. So you'll see on the I'm already signed in. If you're not, it's going to come up with a sign in box. So you need to sign in with the details you've registered with. So once you've signed in, you'll be presented with this screen, and if you look on the right hand side, you've actually got a list of locations that you can change to. And all you need to do is click one of the locations, and you'll see down here that's updating the location. So we're going to go for America. So you can also type in a search at the top here. So I could type United States. And it's going to bring up all the American servers. You don't have to choose any particular one. You just go for any one you want to. So let's go for Los Angeles. And what we're going to do is click here to connect. Okay, so we're all connected up. What we're going to now do is go back to Netflix. And you'll see it still says top 10 in the UK today. But because I'm connected to an American server now, if I actually refresh the page, it should actually change and come up now saying top 10 in the US. You can see already that some of the shows have changed. Some of these, for example, like these ones down here, would not be available for the UK version. And if I keep scrolling down, there we are. You can see, so that's changed now, and it says top 10 in the US today, and the shows have actually changed there. And that's how you do it. So I hope you did find that helpful. As I say, I'll pop a link in the video description down below. If you click that link, that will take you through and get you registered to download the VPN. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, And also, if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description as well down below, where you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.